Papa Harry in the house today. And today is a road day for Papa Harry. I'm gonna be bringing off a wicked something today. Pa Mama Joan, when you hear about the Chucky scare prank, well, I mean that today. We're gonna bring off the Chucky scare prank. You see, Mama Joan, if you turn off the light and in the dark, she's scared. Today, guys, you see, true Chucky doll, that was one of our most feared horror. From she see or hear about Chucky, she just gets scared. So you see, today, guys, me go see how wicked she is, because I say today me go be Chucky himself. Yes, for real. Me, Papa Harry, I go be Chucky himself in a Mama Joan house today, otherwise known as my wife is. Mama Joan upstairs asleep right now, you know. But I'm going to show you when I go have to help me execute this prank today. First of all, I did go to the store and I buy this Chucky doll. So me I go use this Chucky doll now to help me to work out my thing with Mama Joan. So guys, I'm going to carry this doll upstairs and now go place it in the living room which part Mama Joan asleep. And if you don't think I eat that, wait till me done with that. Me have a big surprise for show you later. Me all stutter the way it's sweet and I can't even talk. You know my youth. This is when I lick her with this surprise. Oh, subscribe, hit that like button, and you know the notification and everything, and just deal with that too. And our time going at this prank.
I'm Chucky, and I'm your friend again.
Harry! Harry! Where this come from? Who put this here?
You know me no know?
You need to get rid of this. You need to get rid of this doll. Why is this Chucky doll here?
It's just a doll, Joan. I don't think I know nothing for you.
Listen, you know me not like them something here. You know me don't like them doll here. I do not like them doll here.
You're saying, me no know.
Just get rid of it, Harry. Get rid of it. I do not like these dolls. I don't know why you guys have it in here.
It's not me, Joan. I said I don't know what it is.
Just go get rid of it, man.
Okay, honey, don't worry yourself.
Gosh. Like, I don't know, I don't like them something that I'm always friggin' playing around.
Where that come from?
Harry, I don't know, I don't like those dolls. I do not like it, but at least...
It's not me, only relax, man. Relax, you know, I'm there, man. Nothing can happen to you, know me, I'll take care of you.
I do not like those things. I don't need to stop mess around.
It's probably cyan. I don't know nothing about that, Joan. I never put no doll in here.
What did he say?
Suppose it's cyan, you call cyan.
I don't call cyan, but there's something even I talk.
You hear it talk?
It said my name is Chucky.
Really? That not so
You need to get rid of it. You need to get rid of it.
In talk for children?
Yes. You need to get rid of it, man.
Okay, hold on. Don't worry yourself.
I don't like them things.
Don't worry yourself. Your hero is here. I'm going to go throw him into the garbage. Relax. Don't move.
I don't like them something, and every time them just mess around all the time. Fuck.
Got him! Got him!
Why you saying messing around? You saying messing around?
You know, me not saying nothing. Did you hear the dog talk?
Yes.
You sure you was awake when you hear the dog talk? You should never sleep. When you have nightmare, no, Joan. You sure you hear the dog talk?
I don't like them things, guys. You don't need not to mess around with them something there. I don't like it.
Don't worry, me throw him outside doing now. Throw him in the garbage. So, no, I'm okay now. Me throw him outside. And like, I'm in lock the door too.
Okay.
So you're okay now.
I'm alright.
I'm not left you an inch. I stay right there so with you. I go see what saying I did you. I'm ask her if she juggle this one.
Okay, I don't know.
Okay. You alright? I don't want Chucky come back find you know.
No, I'm not okay, but you don't need to not fucking around.
5 hours later.
Hey, Ronnie, I go upstairs. What time I sleep?
I ain't sleeping.
Yes. So you don't know who put the doll there so. Are you saying talk?
Yes.
Are you sure you did that way? Sure you ain't
I
asleep?
could I swear me hear him say my name is Chucky.
I thought when you wake up, you know, your head never come back good yet. And you think you hear, but I don't know. What you feel? Anyways, only don't worry yourself. I'm there, take care of you. Now I make nothing to you. I make sure the door lock. I make sure you're alright. Okay, on. Your face looks now. Lively up your face now. So where did that come from?
You throw it away?
Me put him outside in the garbage and lock the
Okay,
door.
okay. Alright then. Okay.
So you're good?
Yeah.
20 minutes later.
Joan?
The Chucky in here again! What is it doing in here? I thought you said you threw it away!
What do you own it?
The Chucky in here, see him? I thought you said you threw it away!
For real?
Yes, and it's talking!
It talk to you again?
Yes!
On it? Where it come from?
I don't know! You tell me say you threw it away!
Let me not throw it in the garbage, man.
You tell me say you threw it away and it's still in here! You need to get rid of it!
You sure?
You need to get rid of it. I don't know, so we don't like them things and it's still freaking have something in here.
Go ahead, man.
You need to get rid of the Chucky because it's talking. I told you it's talking.
Stop this up. Don't move. Don't come.
I don't like them
You
something in here. I tell you, I don't
No,
like it.
I'll get him outside
So
now.
you need to take him out. You say you try
Put him out already, Joan. Me don't know. I'm reaching back in there. Eh? Come on. What are you doing? Come back. Go outside. Joan.
I don't like it, Harry.
Hold on.
I told you, you need to get rid of it. You need to get rid of it. I'm tired of telling you, I do not like these things and you guys are always messing around.
Yo, go through this one. Go through this one, honey. Even go through this one. I go get rid of him. You think I around with him? Honey.
Chucky doll and him just keep having him all over the goddamn place.
What, Joan?
You tell me, say get rid of the doll.
We get rid of him before. We get rid of him.
Here.
Me no know, but you see, me came out a while ago, me pop off him head, but take off him 2 hand and him 2 foot, and me throw him in the cab, so I see him come back out of that this time. This time when this man clean Joan, everything mash up. Why would me can't believe him come back in here now. Me swear him gone when me came outside, but are you open the door to me?
I didn't open the door, Harry. I'm going to the kitchen.
Don't
to
come
get
back
something
inside.
out of the fridge. I don't know. I don't know and I don't like it. I don't know. I don't know.
I don't even know what to tell you, say. Anyways.
You tell me say Sian asleep, so she a mess around, so who is messing around?
I don't know, Joan, because I see my while ago and me get frightened myself.
Them think they a serious thing, you know. Them think they a serious thing. Cause there's something I talk. I tell me say him name Chucky and him want to be my friend. Them think a serious thing, them think the Harry, and I don't like them thing there.
Already, Joan. And I come back again and him come back in. Well, this time I broke him neck, I broke him 2 hand and him 2 foot, and I throw him in the garbage, and I lap the bit, and I put on big stone pan top of it.
You need to go take up the banana bread way in the kitchen pan the ground.
You drop the banana bread on the ground? You really screwed up Chucky. But I take care of him, money, don't worry yourself, I have your back.
20 minutes later.
Hi, I'm Chucky, and I'm your friend to the end.
Here's something I want to go. Okay.
Hi, I'm Chucky, and I'm your friend to the end.
Relax. It's a prank. It's just me. Just play with you. Chucky, because I know you're scared. Only relax, man. You know, sir.
No blood clot touch me.
But
every time you come up with the same thing. But I know we don't like them something there. I every time I do this thing
you
to
know
me.
You know me love scary things all the time, so just a draw a prank.
So the whole time you did a mess around with me with Chucky?
Me work with all and everybody. I mean everything I mean only. Me just do my thing.
It's alright. It's okay.
Okay.
I hope when my time come, I hope you take it, you know.
You know me already. It's just, it's all love, honey.